Okay, and try to make some sense of the particles to grams assignment. So I wanted to show you this first as a little visual of everything that we're doing. So if you have grams and you want to go to moles, or if you have moles and you want to go to grams, you're going to use the molar mass, which is basically the number off the periodic table, the number of grams per 1 mole. If you have molecules and you want to get moles, or you have moles and you want to get molecules, you're going to use Avogadro's number, which is the 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. There is no way to go directly from grams to molecules or from molecules to grams. So you have to work through moles to get there. So it kind of takes 2 steps. So the first assignment was how many molecules are in 463 grams of Na2O. And my phone is being goofy. Sorry. Come on, focus. Okay, so if we start with 463 grams of Na2O. Let's see if I can get this to lock in. Okay, 463 grams of Na2O. We're going to have to get we're going to go from grams. So you always put what you have goes on the bottom and what you want goes on the top, right? So we need to know how many grams are in 1 mole of Na2O. And so to get that, we get the molar mass. So the molar mass is 61.98. So there's 61.98 grams in 1 mole, and that comes from the periodic table. So I looked up Na and I looked up O. You add those together, and that gives you, or 2 NAs and then 1 O, that gives you 61.98 grams in 1 mole. So we're going to put 61.98 here and 1 mole on top. Okay? And pen is not working, 1 mole. Okay, then we got to go from moles to molecules. So to go from moles to molecules, we're going to use Avogadro's number right down here. So in 1 mole, there's 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Okay. To get the answer then, you're going to take this 463 times 1 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. And then you're going to have that. And then on the bottom, you're going to just divide by 61.98. And that'll give you the answer. Oh my gosh, so frustrating. Come on now. Okay, so I'll let you work that one out so you can get the answer. That's the first one on that assignment. The second one down here, it was you have 3.01 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of silver. How many grams is that? So this time we're starting here. We have atoms. We want to go 2 moles, and then we have to go back to grams. So we're going to have to work our way through there. So if we start here, we have 3.01 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So you're going to put atoms on the bottom because that's what you have. Moles go on the top. So 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms, and you're going to have 1 mole on the top. And then we got to look up the molar mass of silver, which is 107.87. That just comes straight from the periodic table. So in 1 mole, there's 107.87 grams. Okay, so we're going to take on this, multiply it by 1, multiply it by 107.87, and then whatever you get, you're going to divide by 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, and that'll be your answer there. Okay. One trick when you're typing this in the calculator, put this in parentheses, and it'll just help everything. So anytime you do scientific notation, just put it in parentheses, and it'll make the calculator kind of calculate it a little bit better. So see if that can help a little bit. I'm happy to meet with you in person if you want to do like a Zoom call or something like that, and see if I can help a little bit more.